We are called to rise and shine, to remember our divine design. No more slaughter, no more pain, only love will remain. Eating flesh we lose our love, disconnect from heaven above. Let's reclaim our sacred birth, peace and love upon this earth. With every meal, a chance to choose, to give life, not to lose. Compassion flows in every bite, align with love, embrace the lies. Eating flesh we lose our love, disconnect from heaven above. Let's reclaim our sacred birth, peace and love upon this earth. With every meal, a chance to choose, to give life, not to lose. Compassion flows in every bite, align with love, embrace the lies. Eating flesh we lose our love, disconnect from heaven above. Let's reclaim our sacred birth, peace and love upon this earth. Be vegan, make peace, it's all we need. Live with love, not with greed. God bless us, everyone. Merciful children, His will be done. Join our hands, our hearts as one. Under the light, beneath the sun, we are holy, pure and true in God's love. We'll renew, be vegan, make peace, it's all we need. Together, planting love's peace. God bless us, everyone. Merciful children, His will be done.
Let me tell you why we should be vegan. Not because we want to save the planet only, but it is the ingredient, the main quality, the main power to save this world in this critical situation. You see, eating animal people's flesh means we are decreasing our love in our being from our structure, holy structure. We are born from God. We were holy. We were true humans. We were true children of God. But if we eat the animal people, then the mixing of blood type and genetic code between human and animal people makes us lose our status as the crown of creation, as true humans. As pure humans, the children of God, we are under direct connection with the light, with the mighty master power of the commanding center of the universe. We have absolute command over all under heaven because we were pure and were children of God. But as we keep putting different elements into our beings, even physically, it will affect our spiritual structure as well. Because we became mixing structure, not pure. We became hybrid, vulnerable to attack from the dark force, because we are not pure anymore. Thus, this kind of mixing creature could be annihilated, because this mixing creature send very confusing energy, confusing message into the center of the universe. So it could be annihilated because it's not recognized as pure human. Please help me to stop this. We don't want to be annihilated. We don't want to be screened out. the time is urgent. We have nothing to lose. Just replace that piece of animal's dead carcass instead with tasty, healthy, plant-made protein of all types. Be vegan, make peace. That's all we have to do. And love, okay? Love as much as you want. Just don't make war. Thank you so much. God bless us all.
Vegan, 'cause we are God's merciful children. Watch and download the full speech for free by searching The Real Love Speech at suprememastertv.com.